So we are approaching Ol Kalou Town. As we can see, we are cruising nicely along Nyahururu Highway. Ol Kalou Town is a town that acts as an administrative capital of Nyandarua County, and it's also an electoral constituency that is having a hotly contested election by the way, next month. Ol Kalou is predominantly occupied by Kikuyu, although we have other tribes like the Masai, Samburus, and also the Nandis around. So the population here is roughly 48,000. It's a small town by Kenyan standards, but it acts as the administrative capital of this county. Previously, before the restructuring of the boundaries and change of the constitution in the year 2010, Nyandarua as a district used to have its administrative capital in Nyahururu, but after the restructuring of boundaries and changing of the system into county, devolved government, Nyahururu found itself in Laikipia County, and therefore in the year 2017, 14th of February, the county government of Nyandarua moved its offices and built an ultra-modern office complex here in Ol Kalou. And as you can see, from then on, the town has been really improving. As you can see, there are sidewalks, and there seems to be really good developments are happening here in this county. So Nyandarua County is in Kenya, and it's actually in the western parts of the Aberdare Ranges. As you can see, it's also an agricultural center. I don't know how is the price of land here, or what has happened ever since, but I'm sure that the price must have skyrocketed. Yeah, if you're from the area, you can comment in the comment section, slide in the comment section, and let us know what is the status of this town in terms of land prices and how are the developments happening. Here there have been complaints in the past that Nyandarua County is lagging behind in terms of road and other infrastructural development. So slide in the comment section and let us know what is happening here. If you're also from this area and went far away and have not come home yet, this is how your town looks like. Yep.